Good afternoon from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, September the 26th, 2013. First, a recap of the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. Dense fog is possible once again across low-lying areas of eastern upper and northeast lower Michigan, with local visibilities of 1/4 mile or less. Then we do expect elevated fire danger across northern lower Michigan for Saturday afternoon, thanks to some warmer temperatures and some gusty south winds. And area residents should check for burning restrictions for this weekend. But starting with the afternoon weather map, we have a large area of high pressure across eastern Canada and down across the eastern United States. This system has brought a great stretch of weather across the North Woods over the last several days and will continue to do so. Upstream, we have a few areas of low pressure across the central and northern plains. These systems continue to get shunted up and away and around the Great Lakes due to this area of high pressure. As we go forward into the forecast weather maps by Friday afternoon, high pressure will remain pretty much stationary across New England and the East Coast. Upstream weather makers will inch their way into the upper Midwest, but remain away from the state of Michigan. And we expect yet another great day across northern Michigan, with temperatures rebounding through the 70s for most areas. Going into Friday night and ultimately Saturday morning, that area of high pressure will begin to ease eastward to the Atlantic coast, and this will finally allow an area of low pressure to inch its way toward the Great Lakes region. We do expect a dry day once again for the day on Saturday, with temperatures continuing to warm into the 70s for daytime highs. And again, it will be a bit gusty on Saturday afternoon as well, hence the elevated fire danger anticipated for the day on Saturday. But as we go through Saturday night, this cold front is expected to slowly work its way through northern Michigan, and this will bring the next chance for some rainfall, mainly again for Saturday night as that front works through the area. Here's the forecast weather map for Saturday evening. And then by Sunday morning, the front will be just east of the area. And for later in the day, Sunday going into Monday, high pressure rebuilds across the Great Lakes, and this will set up yet another stretch of great weather across the North Woods. So wrapping it up, a beautiful stretch of weather continues, with the next chance of rain Saturday night with that front. But for tonight, mainly clear skies, areas of fog over eastern upper and northeast lower Michigan, and some of that fog could become locally dense. Overnight low temperatures tonight will be mainly in the 40s, although those cool locations could drop into the mid to upper 30s once again. And then the hazards, once again for fog tonight, locally dense, especially across eastern upper and northeast lower Michigan. And then that elevated fire danger for Saturday due to those gusty winds and warm temperatures. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.